In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Outlook message list. Whether you're using Classic Outlook or the new Outlook, I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what each option changes so your message list is easier on the eyes. First, a quick note on what we're adjusting. The message list has two main parts, the column headers, like from and subject, and the message rows themselves, which include the sender, subject, and preview text for each email. In Classic Outlook, you can change these two areas separately. In the new Outlook, you adjust the overall text size and spacing for the list. If you're in Classic Outlook, start by going to the View tab. Click View Settings, then choose Other Settings. This is the panel where you control the appearance of your list. To change the font for the headers at the top of your list, select Column Font. Pick a font size and style that's clear and consistent with how you like to read. Larger sizes make the headers more prominent without affecting the email rows. Next, to adjust the font for the message rows themselves, select Row Font. This controls how each email sender and subject line appear. Choose your preferred size and style, then confirm your changes. Click OK to apply and close out of the settings. Keep in mind, increasing the row font can also increase row height, which makes things more readable but shows fewer messages at once. You can always return to this menu to fine-tune. If you're using the new Outlook, you have two convenient ways to adjust the text size for the message list. On the View tab, you can adjust text size directly for the message list, which is great for a quick change. For more control, select View from the top menu, then choose View Settings. Open Layout, and under Text Size and Spacing, pick Small, Medium, or Large. These presets change both the size and spacing so the list stays legible and balanced. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply your changes instantly across your inbox and other folders. This helps keep a consistent look throughout your mailbox. If you switch between devices or displays, you can revisit these settings to match your current screen. That's all you need to tailor the Outlook message list to your preference. Thanks for watching.